Today I'm going to look at the cryptocurrency Litecoin, symbol LTC. I'm going to begin the analysis looking at the weekly chart here. I want to point out a couple of things of interest. You're going to note here on this low on the week beginning July 19th, we came within 7 points of touching the 200-week simple moving average, which is considered to be the mean in my analysis and symbolizes a complete secular reset for a financial instrument, in this case, Litecoin. So we had a full secular reset for Litecoin, establishing probably a firm low for a lot higher prices moving forward. It's important to note that Bitcoin on its major corrective processes has touched and found support at the 200-week on a few occasions. And you can see here how it was resistance back in August 2020. And then again here it was support on a closing basis in November. So it is important, the moving average, and should be considered in the work. You'll also note that we have the 2019 high. It comes into play at 146, and then the 50-week simple moving average, which we seem to have captured now and are building momentum from. Going to the daily chart, you can see here we've shaped a double bottom pattern with the price peak and trigger at 149.26. We did trigger it here on August the 1st with a break to 149.87. Then we fell into what I call a handle, and you could call it a double bottom with a handle pattern if you wanted to. It's a pattern that I used to use, in the past with equities. Since we had the little handle formation, we had the daily close back above the 2019 high and also back above the double bottom trigger here on August 7th. You'll see that we've had a bullish outside day, just a couple on August 9th, which is important. Why? Because it comes down and tests the 2019 high and the double bottom and responds with a powerful 11% day, which actually is the largest gain, daily gain since May 24th, when the Litecoin rallied 29.92%. Well, that was an emphatic response to the support generated by the double bottom peak and combined with the 2019 high. The measured move target of the double bottom is just over 30%, which takes us very close to the 200-day simple moving average. And to give you the exact, it's at 191, and the 200-day simple moving average comes in at 191.70. So obviously, that's going to be a major point of interest for current Litecoin holders. And then you'll see also we have this price congestion, as we do have with a lot of the cryptocurrencies associated with the early June highs and late May highs. This is going to be a formidable resistance level for Litecoin, and probably will be an area where we're going to see some type of correction take place. Anything above this is, obviously the next resistance looks like it's the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of this entire decline or correction, if you will. On the downside, really, you don't want to see it go down to this peak area here or the 2019 high, but that's really your firm stop. Any weakness below there raises a red flag and suggests that some more complicated process is taking place. And there actually could be a test of the 78.6% retracement of the 2020-2021 advance. You really got to keep your eyes focused on that 146 level, the 2019 high, as support moving forward. But at this point, the momentum definitely is in place for higher prices. We'll see, maybe today we'll close with a bearish outside day. We're not, if we sit with the price action that we're seeing currently right now. Otherwise, we should see a test of the 200-day and the measured move target around 191.7.